Another type of main image that you might consider using is the multiple angle approach. Now, this is kind of a gray area, so I'll just show you some examples. And if you guys are wondering more, we talked about this with Eric from Virtuous Graphics. So as we can see here, this is a cell phone case that I bought previously. And essentially, instead of doing their main photo of just, the back or the front, where it's hard to get the whole image across, it actually is adding to the consumer, I think, because, how would I otherwise see what it is? So certain categories allow you to do this and certain ones don't. They all technically say that you're not allowed to by default, but if it is in good taste and it makes sense, you can do so at your own risk and see. You could watch the soft and hard rules if you're wondering how to test if it works for your market. So definitely worked in this one. Now, when we're looking at the horny goat like we did with Eric, I actually think that this is deceptive to be using the multiple angle approach because it's only one, and people obviously think, wow, look at the price comparatively here. I'm going to get a way better deal, $19.97 for 1, 2, 3, versus this where, it's one. So just not fair, not in good taste in my opinion here, but there do appear to be some multiple people doing it throughout the page. So apparently they haven't gotten taken down yet. And yep, there's another one. So yep. Definitely just something to take into account, and tough. It's a hard decision when your competitors are all doing it and it's against the rules, but it is go test and see what's actually being enforced to find and make your own decision. Yeah, hope this is helpful. Thanks, guys.